This is June 26, 2020. This is BSC Dead Runner. I've infiltrated the Owl Ranch Airgun Fund compound. Gonna work my way to the back to find the package. Radio silence. Coming to the back gate. Clear. Package in sight. In the garden area. Still no sight of any hostiles. Right on target. Safety off. Out. Out. That's mad. Out. Out of there. Here they come, here they come. Out. I gotta find more ammo. Going back through the garage. Through the garden. The garden is nice. Oh, hostile. Hostile spotted. Disengage. I work my way to the shop. Hold. Yeah. Go. I'm in the shop. Oh, we got an armory here. Going off comms. Hello and welcome to our ranch airgun fun. My name is Brian. How are all you doing? It's been a minute since I've put out a video. Just want to give everybody an Our Ranch Airgun Fun, Our Ranch Garden update. Had a little weather going on and heat is just, today's not bad. But past few days have been triple digits almost. Look at those tomatoes. Wow. Since the last time everybody's seen them and they've just blown up. There's the zucchini and green beans. I've had so much yellow and green squash come out of it already. Our pumpkin plants are just blowing up. There's right there I got poblano, green poblano sweet and spicy peppers. They're still babies. There's another pumpkin plant. Another pumpkin plant. And what do we got going down here? We have honeydew. Oh, there's one right there. See him? There he is. And then we got some watermelon action going on. Another honeydew. A watermelon. Wow. And I planted a yucca tree. That was where the herbs were supposed to be, but they didn't take. So I got a yucca tree going. And the corn is, well, not faring too well. The stalks are still young and green, but my MJ's doing so good. So yeah, a lot has changed at our ranch as summer has come along. Take you out back here. I got me a tent to go over my shooting table now. Out here in the back pasture. I've upgraded my shooting gallery. We got some steel gongs. Yeah, just regular shooting targets. But I've modified it. Now that I got the 25 caliber flash wood coming in, built me a wall cinder blocks. I go all the way back. I got this tar roofing stuff covering it. And then I have back here, this is a big old, almost sheetrock, but it's reinforced with steel fibers. And I got one in front of the mattress and one in the back of the mattress, in front of the big pillow mattress. So that should stop a 25 caliber pellet. And there's Mr. Nicola, our ranch kitty. There he is. Hi, Nicola. Hi, big boy. Okay, well, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update about what's been going on here at our ranch, Airgun Fun. So, we're going to go on back to the shop. We're going to have a lot of fun this summer, guys. I can't believe how much this is all grown in. So, there's Christy. Hi, Christy. Hi. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go on back to the shop. I'm gonna show you guys my my new airgun loadout that I've come possession of. Okay, here we go. Hey everybody. Wow, really sorry about that. I couldn't believe what happened. I walk into my shop. This guy's in here. This guy's all suited up, decked out, SWAT. Full on. He's full on carrying military grade gear on him. I mean, no shit. I had to rush him. I had to rush him. Cops just took him out of here. They said I get to keep what he got. Check this out. Yes, sir. That is a Air Venturi 13-inch cubic, 3,000 psi, regulated to 1100. 6-hour MPX. Yes, sir. We got a UTG bipod going on. We got a V-Light red laser 2000 lume torch, and we got a Tacticam. And this guy's got this, he had this thing outfitted, got this thing outfitted with the V-Light red grain dot. Oh, we're going to have to take this out and find out what it can do. This is going to be fun. And to fill that 13-inch cubic tank to 3,000 psi, I found me one of these on Amazon. It's a nice little compressor. Not giving me any problems at all. Come with the inverter, 12 volt, 120, and 210. And with the fill whip, Little air water separator thing there. The quick disconnect. Yeah. Got myself my new gun loadout here. There's the old Vigilante extended barrel. Got me a red and green dot for it to eye it in. Hey, here's one of my new favorites. This is the Remington 1875. 6 shots. You can shoot pellet or BB. I would only shoot pellet out of it. It's you shoot BB because it's a smooth bore barrel. And then there's the S&R 357 that took a shit on me. Does not fire anymore, but it's a cool looking gun. And there's my that's the Umerix broad axe BB gun. It's Walther PPQ. Walther PPQ M2 T4E training for engagement. It's basically a paintball pistol. I use it for training and self-defense. And there we go. 6 Hour M17 1.77 full metal blowback. And PPQ's also blowback. And the old Colt Defender. And then back there is the old Benjamin Prowler. So we're going to go outside and we're going to shoot this thing. What do you guys say? See you out there.